Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to use TCL Roku TV without remote. Let's go. If you don't have a remote, you can use the Roku app. But your TV and your phone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If your TV is not connected to a Wi-Fi network and there is no remote control, use the keyboard. Connect the keyboard to the TV via USB. Open Settings. Network. Setup network. Select your network. Enter password. Open Roku app. Select Roku device. Open Roku remote. Use virtual Roku remote. That's it. Now you know how to use TCL Roku TV without remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.